In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture and organize meeting notes into actionable tasks. We'll start by creating a dedicated space for your meeting notes. Depending on your tool, this can be a new project that collects notes for a series of meetings or a single task titled for the specific meeting. Choose the option that best matches how often you meet and how much detail you usually record. Consistent naming, like including the team and date, will make everything easier to find later. Next, add the essentials up front: the meeting agenda, the date, and the list of attendees. Placing these at the top gives everyone context and keeps the conversation focused. If your tool supports custom fields, you can capture the date there as well. Otherwise, type it clearly in the header. For attendees, stick to roles or initials if you prefer to keep the record concise. As the discussion unfolds, capture key points in the task description or notes area. Keep each point short and factual, pairing decisions with any rationale that might matter later. Group related points together so scanning is easy, and note any resources mentioned, like document titles or links, right beside the point they support. You're not writing a transcript. Aim for clear summaries that someone who missed the meeting can follow. Whenever a discussion point turns into work, convert it into an action item by creating a task or a subtask. Use a clear verb first title that describes the outcome and include any acceptance criteria in the description. Subtasks are great when multiple steps roll up to one deliverable. Separate tasks work better when items belong to different owners or teams. Keep items small and specific so they're easier to start and finish. Assign every action item to the right person and set a realistic due date. Consider workload and dependencies when choosing dates, and add a short comment to confirm expectations or clarify scope. If timing depends on another item, reference that link in the description so owners see the sequence at a glance. This is where accountability becomes visible, so avoid unassigned work and make sure dates are meaningful. After the meeting, review your notes and update progress. Clean up any drafts, make sure each action item has an owner and a due date, and mark quick wins as started or complete. Share the notes with participants, invite any corrections, and plan your next check-in based on the due dates. With this simple flow, your notes become a reliable source of truth, and your meetings consistently produce results.